correct, and overpressure. Now I will remove this.
But it's connected to common header.
Now there are two headers going.
And if you remove the NRT, maybe go back, do that another form.
But you know, I mean, what I'm saying.
No, they can make the connection.
Yeah, outside.
Isolation.
After the isolation. Yeah.
They need to make the connection.
Yeah.
If
This
it's common, then there's a problem.
So there is a.
screw pump is in a screw pump. It cannot have a reverse flow.
You know that they can do now. Each screw pump is connected with one separate line to the separate screw press.
No. But here, if you see, it is a common header. After check valve.
I am not talking about common header. Here they can do that. One pump is directly connected to
There.
screw pump.
No need to use common header. Yeah.
And other one is directly. If any sequence is stripped, other sequence take automatically.
Yeah.
That will be a better option.
Yeah. I will take one recommendation.
Yeah, that you put in the.
So check valve.
Otherwise, and in the future, it will create a lot of issues.
Yeah, remove.
I will understand.
Remove the check valve. Screw, pump, discharge.
Yes, I understand.
Alright,
If you cancel the common header, there is two dewatering machines.
No,
Always.
this is your pump.
If you have common,
This is your two machines. Okay, each will connect it directly.
So
Okay.
if I need this machine has a problem.
Automatically this set will start.
The one pump is